Mom, we are home.
Hi, girls. How was school today?
My day was good. We made a class poster.
Nora, you are very quiet. Did something happen?
No, I am just tired.
Okay. But you can tell me if something is wrong.
School is important, girls. You must take it seriously.
I did my work today, Dad.
Good children get good marks.
Nora?
I need to go to my room.
Did I say something wrong?
Please, maybe it does not look that bad. Grade D. I only barely passed. Good children get good marks. Then maybe I am not good. Nora, why did you close that so fast? I did not. It is nothing. You look sad. I said I am tired. Can I sit with you? No, I want to be alone. Okay. Mom will be upset. Dad will be so disappointed. Good children get good marks. I cannot show this. I cannot.
Girls, bring your school papers here, please.
I have this note, Mom.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mom.
School papers are important. You should not hide them. When a teacher sends something home, parents must see it.
David, let them take one thing at a time.
I am calm. I only want them to learn responsibility.
Are you okay?
Thank you, Lily. Nora, did you get
Yes.
anything today?
No,
Nothing important. Nora, do you need something?
Mom.
Yes, sweetheart? I forgot. You forgot what?
It was nothing. I tried. But it is still grade D. If Dad sees this, he will know. He will know I am not good.
I am sorry. I cannot let them see it.
I cannot. I cannot. I do not know what to do. Nora? Huh? Nora, are you in your room? Why are you not answering? Nora? Nora, why are you crying? Lily, do not look. What happened? Is that your school paper? Please, Lily. Please do not ask. Please do not tell Mom. But you are crying. Do not tell Dad either. Why? He will be so disappointed. Did you get a bad report card? Please, Lily. Just promise.
Lily, where is Nora?
She is near the trash bin.
Why is she there?
I do not know.
Lily, look at me. Is Nora hurt?
She is crying.
What happened?
I am not sure yet.
Lily, did Nora fall?
No. She is just crying.
Nora? Nora, what happened?
Is that a school report?
She was already crying when I found her.
Nora, why is it torn?
Give me the pieces, sweetheart. Nora, I need you to breathe first. Was this your report card?
Yes.
Why was your report card near the trash bin?
Did you tear it?
Mom, she was so scared.
Grade D. Nora, you barely passed.
You did not fail.
It is still bad.
Yes, it is low, but I need to understand why you hit it.
She was crying before you came.
What did you see, Lily?
She was sitting here. She had the pieces. She asked me not to tell. I wanted to protect her. But she was crying too much. I got scared.
Nora, are you afraid of me? Nora, why did you hide this from us?
Because you always say it.
Say what?
You say good children get good marks. I got grade D.
Nora.
Nora, tell us the whole truth now.
I got grade D. I barely passed. I hid it in my folder. Then I tore it. And I asked Lily not to tell.
I did not know what to do. I am sorry. Nora, hiding the report card was wrong. Tearing it was also wrong.
I know.
But you should never feel afraid to tell us the truth. I thought you would be ashamed of me. I am not happy about grade D, but I am more worried about your fear. A report card tells us where you need help.
Nora, I need to say something. I wanted you to work hard, but my words were too heavy. When I said good children get good marks, I thought I was helping. But I made you scared.
I thought you would not be proud of me.
I am sorry, Nora. Grade D does not make you a bad child.
Lily, I am sorry. I should not ask you to hide things. I wanted to help you. But I was scared when you were crying by the trash bin. I did not want you to be scared. I do not care about grade D. I care about you.
Are we fixing it so my teacher can see it? We are fixing it because we will not hide from the truth.
We face it together.
It still looks broken.
That is okay. We can still take care of it.
Now we are fixing it together.
We will make a small plan. One step at a time.
I will try.
And I will help you. No shouting, no heavy words.
And no hiding the truth.
No hiding. I can sit with you when you study. Thank you, Lily.
I was wrong before. Good children tell the truth and try again.
I will try again. What story should we make next? Tell us in the comments.
If you liked this story, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more stories.
See you in the next video.